is the elevator. This is the service elevator at the University of Arizona Student Union in Tucson, Arizona. I believe this is I'm not sure the brand, but this is a neat elevator. Let's get our cab view real quick before we go up. Alright, let's go up to 4F. Let's go down to 1F, and the door closes when you push the button. Capacity 8,000 pounds. Elevator number 1. Adam's Fixtures, floor lockout switch. Here we are on 1. Going up?
I have to pay for this. Nah, it's just it was a charitable contribution. You know what I mean? Nah, you're good though. It's all up.
What floor? Which floor do you want?
I'm going to the 3rd, sir. I gotta put my key in.
You know you don't. It's going up, see?
Alright, it's unlocked. It should be locked. No worries. Thank you.
This elevator seems to run okay. It's vintage, but it makes some creaky sounds when it goes up. Here we are on 4. Still classic leveling. Bell does not work. Here's our cap view again. Very vintage. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.